Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are talking about Tropical Storm Festival. Actually now a tropical depression. Thank you guys so much for 60 subscribers. Also I hope you guys enjoy my little time lapse of Rebel Hub TV and Worldwide Random News Weather Service. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will be doing another one later today. But let's get on with the video. So the central threshold is at 998 millibars, or 998 millibars. So maximum sustained winds are now down to 35 miles per hour, and it is moving east-southeast at 3 miles per hour, and it's literally stayed southeast at 3 miles per hour, and is forecasted to make landfall right into New Orleans, which Katrina hit. That will be a bad thing. So this is the winds. This was its latest advisory right down there, and then we see another advisory, and then another advisory, and then the last advisory. So it literally done like a loop. So this is the earliest reasonable arrival for time storm winds. It'll be around Saturday to Sunday, 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. for parts of Louisiana, and we see that it is getting stronger and stronger. Now let's go to the most likely. It'll be around Sunday on 8 p.m. or it'll be from Sunday 8 a.m. to Sunday 8 p.m. Oh my gosh, it skips so much stuff. So this is the 03L. Let's zoom in right there so we can definitely see where it makes landfall. No models are showing any landfall in Mississippi or Texas. They're all showing making landfall in Louisiana and then going wherever they want. So most of the models are showing making landfall. So they show it going up and then like that. That's my model right there. The one that I just drawn. And this is the model track guidance from all the big model. So this is the GEFS. Actually says that it does get pretty strong around this general area. So yeah. Around this area they say it'll get down to around 998. And then actually strengthen when it's over land. And as you guys saw, my model going on up, and then went pow pew, and makes landfall right into New Orleans and Baton Rouge. I do not know why I'm so far out. So model intensity guidance, there's only one ship that makes landfall. So this is right now, and then this is the Gulf of Mexico, Gulf of Mexico landfall. So this is why I think it'll go up, and then I think it'll go like here. I'm with the semi. That's my model. Except I'm with the semi all the way except here. Then I think it'll go on down and then die. So that's my model. Literally the exact same as semi, maybe a little bit further down. And then that's my model. I know it's not the best, but so let's see the infrared. Okay. The storms are real. So we have one giant clump, and then we have another giant clump. I believe the low pressure is located right there. No, the low pressure is located right around there. But with this storm, you do not see a spin with this one, but you do see a somewhat spin. But you do see a little bit of blow up of convection, which possibly means it will get back into tropical storm status. And it's literally stalling over Campeche. So looking at this model, you can definitely see some little blow ups happening, and you can definitely see that very broad spin, and that spin is very good. So let's see the GFS model. Let me just bring that down. And then it shows and makes landfall as a 997 storm in around 90 hours, and then it goes on and makes landfall. So this is what the CMC believes what will happen with Tropical Storm Crystal Ball, or the Canadian model. So it shows landfall as in 1000 right at New Orleans, and then literally skim the coast, and then go. So it kind of goes up, and then skims the coast, and then comes back, and then up. That's a confusing model. I think they're confused. Here is the H1 and the last radar model, I believe. So we can see that it goes on up, and then actually I think this one makes landfall right into Louisiana as a 1002 and stays around that general area. So this is the GFS humidity model for this storm. So humidity seems pretty good until whenever it gets near Louisiana, then it kind of dies, but it kind of meanders around Louisiana, which might bring the strength a tad bit higher than we expected. So here is the wind. So the wind says it will get up to around, that is around 46 knots. Let me close that. So let's actually, you could say, take a picture and see what the wind is. But I cannot see what the wind is. If you guys can, tell me right down below, but I think it's around 40 knots. Also, so this is the accumulated precipitation. It actually shows this storm like kind of, this is the track or the footprint that has, and then kind of goes in and around, or even hits the panhandle. So this is the general area for flash flooding possibilities, and down near the Campeche area. So CMC model says for this, CMC says makes landfall or makes near landfall in the Florida Panhandle and around Florida. The icon shows some very strong rain for Florida, and then it just kind of skips on over and then makes landfall into Texas or Louisiana. So literally the entire Gulf of Mexico is vulnerable with this storm. Florida, Louisiana and Texas are the two main threats with the storm, and some possible flooding. So this is we already saw the humidity, but for a bigger picture, we can definitely see that spin up and then that dry air coming right into the storm and then dying on out and then getting squished. Possible, Dolly? Oh, that looked like a tornado area. A giant water spout. But we did not care about that. Let's go on over to the wind shear. So wind shear is pretty bad for the storm and potential life flooding for parts of Florida, Louisiana, Alabama, Mississippi, Georgia, and Texas. Hey, bye-bye. Thank you guys for 60 subscribers, and please subscribe and leave a like. Bye.